In this video, we are going to discuss about the physiology of vomiting. So the main important factors that we know about the causes of the vomiting are improper smell or the bad smell, pain, and the bad thing that we see, or like psychological issues. And another main important factor that is responsible for this vomiting is motion sickness. And this motion sickness is mainly caused to the people who make longer distances traveling. And another important reason for this vomiting is fauces tickling, and we are going to discuss about this fauces tickling a bit later. And another most important cause is taking of the cytotoxic drugs or the drugs that causes gastric irritation, which are also called as gastric irritant drugs, and absorbing of these kind of drugs can also cause vomiting that usually we feel while taking a drug. And now let us discuss about this physiology of vomiting. So in this brain, in the medullary region of the brain, it contains three important centers which are responsible for vomiting, and those are vomiting center, chemoreceptor trigger zone, and nuclear tractus solitarius, which are laid one close to one another. And the vomiting center consists of the receptors like 5-HT receptors and muscarinic receptors, and the chemoreceptor trigger zone also contains 5-HT receptors and muscarinic receptors, dopamine receptors, and also the receptors of neurokinin. And the nuclear tractus solitarius also contains same kind of receptors like 5-HT, dopamine, muscarinic, and also the neurokinin. And the smell, pain, sight, and psychological issues stimulate the higher centers of the brain, and this stimulation of higher centers of the brain in turn stimulates the vomiting center, and this in turn results in the production of this this sensation called vomiting. And now let us discuss about the motion sickness. So motion sickness is mainly associated with the ear region, and in the ear there is this region which is responsible for balance of the body, and that is labyrinth. And this labyrinth is mainly associated with promotion of balance to the body and also perfection to the body. And in the situations of imbalance or ototoxicity, and imbalance which is mainly caused due to severe traveling or the motion, and also the ototoxicity, in these situations it stimulates the labyrinth region. And the stimulation of this labyrinth region releases the neurotransmitters like 5-HT, dopamine 1. And these dopamine 1 and 5-HT bind to the receptors that are present in the chemoreceptor trigger zone, and this stimulates the vomiting center, and this vomiting center in turn produces vomiting. Let us discuss about the cytotoxic drugs. These are mainly associated with the gut region. So in the gut, there are these cells which are called enterochromaffin cells, which are mainly associated with production of the vomiting. And these cytotoxic drugs and GI irritant drugs makes the enterochromaffin cells to release the neurotransmitter called 5-HT. And this neurotransmitter reaches into the blood and circulates in the blood. And from the blood, these neurotransmitters reaches to the receptors of the chemoreceptor trigger zone, and this in turn stimulates the vomiting center which produces vomiting. Now let us discuss about fauces tickling. So whenever while we take the tablet, when the tablet touches to the palate of our mouth, it causes a sensation of vomiting. So why is this happening? Is mainly associated with this fauces tickling. So whenever we take this tablet, it causes a sensation, and that sensation is called fauces tickling. And this fauces tickling stimulates the nucleus tractus solitarius region, and this stimulates the vomiting center which results in vomiting. And these are the main reasons and the pathophysiology of the vomiting.